Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's pull cards out. Let's see what is coming in the readings. Two cards have come out together, Aizan, which is miracles, and Nigami, desire. So it's a card of desire and miracle. So maybe whatever you're desiring will miraculously transform today and you will be very happy. So let's start with the first card, the card of what we say as desires. Now desires is something which every human being has. She is basically the goddess of desire, the Game, and she will help you to get whatever you desire. I would suggest today sit down, take a paper, write a letter to her, tell her what you desire, and burn the paper and throw that ashes in the air. When you throw the ashes in the air, tell her, Nigami, what I desire is mine. I want you to help me in fulfilling my desires and to support me in all that I want to be successful. So that's for Nigami. Now coming to the Aizan. Aizan is a beautiful white lady. If you see the card, it talks about miracles, it talks about manifestations, because as I said, we will write the letter today that whatever are our desires. Now when the letter is written, obviously you will have to take up the miracles which are coming your way. Now when this comes in a reading, it actually means that miracles alone don't come. You yourself are a miracle, and you will get all the miracles in life, be it riches, be it abundance, be it prosperity, whatever you desire, whatever your heart desires, or whatever, I would say not the heart, I would say whatever your soul desires, you will get it, and you will be happy that you achieved it beautifully and you were able to handle it beautifully. So that's what I feel today. I would suggest to go with the color pink or with the color violet, because I feel pink and violet are the colors today. And also, if you can offer some cake in your altar today and then have it, basically dedicate that cake to Aizan, specifically if possible a white sponge cake to Aizan, and then you have it, and I'm sure today the day is going to be really good and some beautiful miracle is on its way. Thank you.